trial of the man whose actions were seen around the world is now underway. Deobra Redden is standing trial today for leaping over the bench and attacking a Las Vegas District Court judge. That incident was captured on courtroom cameras and it went viral. Judge Mary Kay Holthus was sentencing Redden just before that now infamous jump. The defendant expected probation. Instead, the judge sentenced him to prison time. And this trial will determine if he'll ultimately face more time behind bars. A different judge is overseeing his trial on charges of attempted murder, battery, and intimidating a public officer.